Which of the following is an example of tissue? Brain, blood, liver, or stomach? Correct answer is blood. Most fish stay afloat in water due to the presence of air sinuses, buoyant scales on the body, swim bladder, or swimmerets. Correct answer is swim bladder. What makes plants distinct from animals? Locomotion, metabolism, catabolism, or localized growth. Correct answer is localized growth. The red color of human blood is caused by myoglobin, hemoglobin, immunoglobulin, or haptoglobin. Correct answer is hemoglobin. Which type of cells are responsible for producing antibodies? Lymphocytes, neutrophils, red blood cells, or platelets? Correct answer is lymphocytes. Which of the following is included in a high-fiber diet? Glycogen, proteins, cellulose, or fats? Correct answer is cellulose. Oxygen is transported in the blood by erythrocytes, thrombocytes, lymphocytes, or leukocytes. Correct answer is erythrocytes. In plants, xylem tissue is responsible for transporting food, water and food, or none of these. Correct answer is water. Cellulose is the chief constituent of body wall of insects, cell membrane, secondary wall of xylem, or cell wall. Correct answer is cell wall. Which tissue in plants is responsible for conducting food? Parenchyma, xylem, phloem, or collenchyma? Correct answer is phloem. Which of the following cytoplasmic organelles are treated as prokaryotic cells within the eukaryotic cells? Mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, or glyoxysomes? Correct answer is mitochondria. Which organelle is sometimes referred to as atom bombs in cells? Microtubules, nucleolus, Golgi bodies, or lysosome? Correct answer is lysosome. Which one of the following is called the digestive bag in the cell? Golgi body, lysosome, ribosome, or mitochondrion? Correct answer is lysosome. Which one of the following is known as the immovable property in the cell? Carbohydrate, fat, nucleic acid, or protein? Correct answer is nucleic acid. What is the average lifespan of red blood cells? 100 to 200 days, 100 to 120 days, 160 to 180 days, or 0 to 200 days? Correct answer is 100 to 120 days. Which mineral is essential for healthy red blood cells and a deficiency might cause anemia? Calcium, potassium, vitamin C, or iron? Correct answer is iron. Nails, hooves, and horns are primarily made of which protein? Carotid, chitin, keratin, or tunidin? Correct answer is keratin. RBCs do not perform aerobic respiration because these do not contain mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, or lysosomes. Correct answer is mitochondria. What is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms? Tissue, cell, organ, or systems? Correct answer is cell. The smallest size of a cell that can be seen with naked eye is 1 micron, 10 micron, 100 micron, or 1000 micron. Correct answer is 100 micron. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.